I'd like to now introduce you to one of the best affiliate marketing books around, and it's called Evergreen Passive Income with Affiliate Marketing, and it's by a marketer called Rob Cornish. Now this book is completely free. It's actually a hard book, a paperback book, and you just pay for the postage, really, postage and packing, and they deliver it to you in the mail. So here's my copy. It came pretty quickly, within a day or so. And here we can see the tagline at the back says, "Warning, this book can lead to an avalanche of commissions and sales." So who is Rob Cornish? Well, Rob has been a hugely successful affiliate marketer and a digital product publisher for more than a decade. So he really knows his way around the subject, and you will definitely learn a lot from reading this book. Now, unlike most marketing books, which are poorly put together and generally are content-light lead magnets, you're actually going to learn something here. You're going to get a step-by-step 0 to 6-figure roadmap, and it's not just a collection of random tactics and shortcuts. This book walks people through from scratch to successful business. You're going to get short snippets of wisdom and advice scattered throughout the book, giving you golden nuggets. So this is the contents of the book. It's got 20 chapters here, and it really just about covers all you need to know. So just taking a look inside the book here, we can see that Rob goes on to describe what evergreen passive income is. Now, there are many things I like about the book, but one in particular is that Rob talks about not only his successes, but he also talks about some of his failures as well. So in this particular chapter, he talks about a product that he released which didn't quite go to plan, and he talks about why he thinks it didn't work and what he could have done better. So I find that quite refreshing to have a marketer actually admit to some of the mistakes that they made along in their journey. So here he covers how to find hungry online markets, and another chapter covers mistakes that most affiliate marketers make. He goes on to talk about building a list, which is probably the most important thing in affiliate marketing. So he covers that. He also covers funnels and how to set up funnels. And then, of course, he goes on to talk about traffic for affiliate marketing. So he covers both free and paid traffic in this chapter. And he then goes on to speak about the easiest types of digital products to sell in chapter 13. And he also gives an example of one of his success stories where he made quite a bit of money from a simple PDF product. And he shows you exactly what he did to achieve that. So it's kind of like a little case study there. And again, another example of how he made money by And again, another example of what's possible for you here. He actually shows another one of his success stories. So affiliate marketing, it might sound easy, but when you get started, you're going to notice that there are many hidden pitfalls. So affiliate marketing, it might sound easy, but when you actually get started, you find there are many pitfalls and hidden challenges which you hadn't anticipated at the beginning. So this book helps you bypass these and set a straight line roadmap to success. Now the book is completely free. You just pay for the postage and packing, and that's it. So if you are interested in this free affiliate marketing book, I've left a link in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.